As our salute to Oktoberfest wraps up, today we've got a traditional German dessert that is known as Bienenstich, which in English translates to bee sting. Legend has it that it got its name when the baker who created this honey-glazed cake was stung by a bee that was attracted to its sweetness. And once you try it, you'll realize that bees aren't the only ones that are attracted to it. We start off by beating together some butter and sugar. Once it's creamy, we add in some honey, a couple of eggs, and a bit of vanilla. Now we gradually add in our dry ingredients and some milk until the batter is nice and smooth. This goes into a springform pan that we coated with cooking spray and lined with wax paper. We sprinkle it with a little flour and pour on a glaze that we made by simmering some butter, honey, vanilla, and almonds. After it bakes and cools, we'll cut it in half and fill it with a creamy custard that brings this all together. Just one whiff, and there's no wonder that it attracts bees, as well as anyone else who gets a peek at it. And talk about deliciously different. To get the easy step-by-step recipe, all you have to do is go to our website and look for bee sting cake, and you'll see what all the buzz is about. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a buzzworthy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Creamy delicious.